Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today I have a couple of DS's. There's a white one, I think there's a black one, but there's only, I think there's two. There's three, but there's two. So there's two motherboards, but there's three cases, so I'm not sure. But there's a bit of a backstory to these. I've had these for years. I've had these since about 2008. Actually, these were brought new. These have been in the family and they've been stuck under a cupboard, under the stairs, in a cupboard for the best part of, so they've been under the cupboard for the best part of 13 years. I used to fix Nintendo DS's lights all the time, but it dried up pretty quick, so just gave up on it, and these is what I had left. So we're going to try and see if we can build one. It's not going to be the greatest condition, to be fair, because these cases are pretty much gone, but let's just see if we can get any of them. I can't even remember what was wrong with these, to be fair. I mean, I'm guessing there was probably screens. Right, the first thing I'm going to do is test the batteries. I have one charger, which I'm sure works. I have two batteries, so I'm hoping they're going to work for a start. So what I'm going to do is test the batteries to make sure they're good, or to make sure we get something at least. Oh, hang on. 4.1. Right, yes, that's 3.7, yeah, so that's okay. 3.7, yeah, these batteries are fine, according to that. So, what I'll do is we'll crack on and see if we can build at least one working DS. Right, now the first thing we're going to do is we need to work out which one we're going to work on, or determine if these boards and screens work first, realistically. So what I'm going to do is all bits and all sorts here. I don't even know if the screws are here. They were dumped in a bag. This bag's been dumped in a cupboard for 13 years. So I mean, I've got pretty much everything for the pink one, stylus and everything. So, oh, this bag's got a split in it. So what I'm going to do, got the cover for the white one, and then just various, got the cover for the pink one too. Various rubber pads and style. Oh, there's a game so we can test it at least. I'll have to clean the contact on that. What else we got? Just this bag's full of stuff. I mean, we've got to be able to make one. I don't know what that is. No, it's the rubber. We've got to be able to make something out of these. Oh, there's broken pieces as well. So, don't know if we're going to be able to. We can give it a try though, at least. Okay, I just found this on the case. Look, that's my writing. I used to just write on them when I was attempting to repair them. I've put reference 07 12 09. Let's see what happens. I don't know what that is. Keep that for later though, just in case. Yeah. So I currently have two speakers. I mean, I think these that's a screen where the ribbon had broke, but I think that I took that one out of a broken one, so that's no good, but we'll keep it, you never know. Various rubber pads, yeah, just loads of bits that need cleaning as well. They're absolutely disgusting. So let's see what we have. And this one's in absolute pieces. So that might be destroyed in itself. It's an absolute mess. first thing we need to do, if I remember rightly, now this wire is an absolute pain. I'm dreading putting these back in because they're a nightmare. I'll just leave that in there, to be fair. Let's just test these boards for a start. Right. Put that over there. Right, board one. It needs a good clean. I mean, everything seems to be intact. All the connectors are there. Don't look too healthy on the charge port. They're both the same boards anyway, so that's a good thing. I mean, I don't know if they changed over generations, but right, where's them batteries? Let's plug the battery in. I don't know if this, I can't remember if these start up or if this will start up. If you just, can't remember now. It's been so long. I think that's the power button. Oh. Right, this one was switching on, switching off, I think. Right, so that's that board. I don't really want to take that wire off. I don't think these are going to work personally. I think they've pretty much. Oh, there you go. They're a nightmare to put in now. Let's see what we can. See what we get on this. Right, we're getting nothing on this one. Let me just make sure they're touching. Yeah, we're getting nothing on this one. This one's probably dead. But I don't know how much batteries in these. I'm quite surprised it even turned on that well. Let me just try the charger. Just try and plug it in and see what happens. Ooh, we got light. But we just had a light, but no go. It's weird. So it looks like we'll be using this board. Right, that's lit up. Yeah, this one's switching on, that one isn't. So we might have to use this board. Right, give these a clean. I have noticed a bit of damage, but this is the one that switches on. It's weird, but out there, but this is the one that actually switches on, so I'm not sure. We'll give it a try anyway, see what we can do. But yeah, they used to get crap and crud in the switch, so it wouldn't turn on. So just get some alcohol, give it a good thing, give it a good scrub, and then just move it back and forth. And the volume used to suffer with it as well. Volume buttons used to suffer with, like, used to get crap in them. That was a big problem back in the day. problem I used to have to sort out quite often. Just volume wouldn't work, and it would just be crap in there, basically in there. Right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start to hook it up out of the case just to see. So that goes in there. I think that's a sensor, I'm sure it was. It's been that long, I can't remember now. That goes in there like that. Top screen, I think this is a top screen. Let's just clean the connectors. I don't even know if these screens work, to be fair. Just going on the off chance that they do. No, hang on. Click. There's one on here, so that would go around there somewhere. It's been so long. Or is it round there? No, it's round there, isn't it? I think it's like that. Yeah. So that's that. These are an absolute nightmare to get in. There they are, the tweezers. I can't remember. No. I can't remember how these go now. It's been that on the clips. There. Hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, basically I got a new case because I couldn't justify just putting an old crappy case on, so what I've done is I've got the new case, so I will show it you now.